Hello, this is Sean Yu from Iron Quad bringing you another video today. Today we're here to talk about things to know before you take flight and during you take flight. So before you take flight, you might occasionally want to calibrate your drone. This is to make sure that your drone is leveled and is able to fly properly. So I'll demonstrate to you how to calibrate your drone. Okay, so first you would check your batteries and make sure they're at 4.2. As you see right here, my battery is at 4.2. And then I would put my batteries. So here. And then you would make sure that all the buttons are leveled and in the off position. And turn on your control. Okay. Then you'd want to link to your drone. So how do you calibrate your drone? So first you would want to put your drone on a level surface. This is very important, and if you don't, you might permanently damage your drone. And to calibrate, you would press the calibration button. And you can see that the light is blinking. And then wait until it stops, and then you would click this button again, and now you're ready to fly. Now I'm here to talk about the light shining on the bottom of your drone. When you first put your battery, connect your battery here, you might notice the blinking blue lights. So what does this indicate? This indicates that the drone needs to be connected to the controller. So how do you do that? You simply just turn on your control like this, and you put the shift down, and now you're all set to go, and now you can arm and disarm, and you can fly. Now, during flight, you might have noticed that there is a glaring blue light shining. This indicates that the battery pack is in good condition and you are ready to fly. As you are nearing the end of your flight, you might occasionally notice red lights shining on the bottom. This means that there is a battery sag. That means that for a brief moment, the battery life voltage has gone down below 3.45. You can continue to fly, but this is a warning that you are nearing the end of your flight. To prevent you from permanently damaging your battery, we tuned our drones to make sure that the bottom light would rapidly blink red, warning you that you should land. If you ignore this warning, then the drone will automatically land and prevent you from permanently damaging your batteries.